In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your forgotten password and regain access to your account on the Fliki AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fliki AI app on your device and you will see the sign in with Google as well as the email option. Now, if you used your Google account to create your account in the first place, then you will not need to enter or create any password. However, if you signed up using email, then tap on the sign in with email option. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address that you used while signing up and then tap on the next button. You will now be asked to enter your account password. Now, since there is no option to reset your password, what you need to do is use the Google account within your email address to directly sign in with Google. Tap on the sign in with Google option and now select your Google account, even if you used it to sign in with email. And now you will gain access to your account right away. This means you don't really need to enter any password. But still, if you wish to change it, tap on the account option at the bottom right corner and then go into profile. Here you will find your email address as well as the change password button. Tap on change password and you will now be prompted to enter your new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and tap on the update button. Now your password has successfully been changed. Tap on save, and after this point on, you can use your newly set up password to regain access into your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on the Fliki AI app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.